Good day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford Ranger XLT with carbonized gray metallic exterior, ebony cloth interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.3-liter Ecoboost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include trailer tow package, FX4 Off Road package, remote vehicle start, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. We'd be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.3-liter Ecoboost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. All weather mats on the floor with the Ranger badge in, and your light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. To the left, your integrated trailer brake controller, your dual climate control system with heated seats, air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. You've got your volume controls and your hazard light as well. Below, a little bit of room for storage with a USB and USB-C charging ports, as well as a wireless charging pad. Your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders. Your electronic parking brake and drive modes to switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions. Your traction control and auto start and stop. A console with storage below and a 12-volt outlet. Your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, rear window control, and your light controls. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, gray door handles, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, a coupleless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be below the Ford badge in. Your box is 4.5 foot long. Trailer tow hitch, sensors on the back bumper, pin connectors, and a step making it easy to access the cargo bed. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and it will pull it down for you because you've got a tailgate assist. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, a cargo mat for to make it easy to clean, a 120-volt outlet. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. As you have a bench seat, you gotta pull the tab and fold your seat up. And when you're done, pull the tab again and it will fold the seat down for you. Anchors to tether baby seat, an armrest with 2 cup holders, all with the mats on the floor with your extra carpeted mats, slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, a little bit of room for storage, 120-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports, your dome light, hooks and handle, and your rear powered window. Backup camera in the rear, 4.5 feet box, mud flaps, running boards, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, LED headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.